Just 365 days, 46 videos, 16 million views with 301,000 subscribers, and earning $98,400 in a year.
That's the success story of this Faceless channel.
But why did we mention 100,000 plus in the title? We will reveal that by the end of this video.
For now, just look at the most striking part about his videos. They are not even in English, the most spoken language in the world, but rather in the third most spoken language.
The channel was started 1 year and 2 months ago, on July 11th, 2023. Since then, he consistently uploaded one video each week in the YouTube automation niche, leading him to reach this milestone.
But how? Those who are already doing this understand how challenging it is to achieve such huge results in a short time.
So, what secret trick does he know that you don't? Never mind. I'll expose the entire process today with the roadmap and the reality behind it.
Yes, as your channel grows, different challenges come to you. 90% of the time, the smooth success that top YouTubers often showcase to validate your dreams doesn't paint the full picture.
To understand all this, we need to start from the beginning, which is choosing a niche for your channel. Just think about this. There are many YouTube channels out there which have failed. What do they have in common? A successful niche combines 3 key elements: your interests, the audience's needs, and monetization.
When these 3 elements overlap, you find a niche that can bring long-term success. The owner of �ฑ𝐸𝐤𝐤𝐞 already experienced this failure with his previous channels. So he made sure of not making the same mistake while starting this channel by following a rigorous process.
He spent a whole week researching Faceless channel ideas and their CPM, hoping to find a profitable niche. Despite his enthusiasm, he felt discouraged by the high editing standards in this niche. He made the mistake of comparing himself to top creators, so he spent another week trying to learn editing techniques to match their quality, which was again not the right approach.
Caught in a mental struggle with established competitors, he wasted valuable time learning instead of creating. He realized that just looking at tips and tricks wouldn't help him succeed. So, he began producing videos for his channel, �ฑ𝐸𝐤𝐤𝐞, and uploaded his first video on a trending topic. However, it only received fewer than 100 views in the first 45 days, with no views at all in the first 3 days.
To try to gain traction, he used different devices to artificially boost his impressions. Despite this setback, he continued to upload videos weekly, knowing that consistency was key. Just a month later, he reached 100 subscribers, while others in his niche quickly gained 3,000 to 4,000 views and hit 1,000 subscribers.
Many would have given up at this point, but losing consistency is what leads you to failure, especially in the case of YouTube. Plus, he understood how hard it could be to identify mistakes. He tried various strategies, including trend jacking. When those didn't work, he made a video about a creator outside his niche, which turned out to be a turning point for his channel. That video gained 1,000 views in a day.
Recognizing an untapped demand for that creator, he produced more related content, leading to one video hitting 40,000 views in a week. However, challenges returned again, and he gained only 173 subscribers in 3 months. This is the harsh reality of running Faceless channels. Even after that breakthrough video, he gained 2,000 subscribers in just a week, bringing him close to 15,000 by the end of September 2023.
From the outside, it took just one successful video to reach that point. But in reality, it required 3 months of patience, mental strain, market research, and strategic planning. 6 months after launching his channel, he gained 600,000 subscribers, making it the fastest growing channel after 𝐷𝐸𝐤𝐞. He achieved this with only 22 videos.
However, he soon discovered the challenges of running a Faceless channel, where engaging with the audience and building trust was difficult. He had to constantly evolve, leaving him little time to rest. At first, in his videos, he used to share clear and accurate information, which worked to some degree. However, he soon realized that viewers preferred infotainment, which means information mixed with entertainment. Otherwise, no matter how good information you give the audience, it sounds like a boring lecture.
So, he thought he could achieve this through better script writing and crisp editing. But still, he struggled with a dilemma. Making his scripts too entertaining could dilute the knowledge he wanted to convey. So, you cannot fill your scripts with puns and comedy.
Rather, the only solution was to let the script provide all the valuable info in a straightforward manner and enhance his editing skills to provide visual entertainment. Many people can edit videos nowadays, as software like Filmora, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, and Final Cut Pro is widely available.
Despite his improvements, none of his videos hit 1 million views. His new goal became reaching 1 million views, but he did it in a way which was wrong. He noticed that there's one particular thing that often gets more attention on social media quickly. It's negativity. Anything that's controversial becomes trending.
People jump on them to watch, to understand Facebook memes, and participate in Twitter debates. So, he devised a new plan. He changed the title of one of his videos from "How to Start YouTube in 2024" to something negative. "Don't start YouTube in 2024. Guess what? It went viral, gaining over 1 million views in a single day.
He faced a choice: use negative titles for more views or stick to quality content. Naturally, none of his later videos achieved 1 million views. But let us explain the challenges that a faceless YouTube channel faces in reaching 100,000 subscribers. Because these problems are different from what most YouTubers talk about.
The first problem is, building a brand is tough for faceless channels. They need a unique selling proposition to define their identity. Gaining trust from the audience is essential. Without it, being in a niche doesn't matter. To build a brand, a faceless channel needs to connect a story or personality to its content.
Gaining audience trust is critical because people easily trust faces more than voices. So, faceless creators can build playlists and engage with their audience by asking for video ideas, creating a connection. Plus, you should always be consistent with uploads.
In addition to that, he also chooses sponsorships that relate to his niche and aims to ensure his audience benefits from them. He talks openly about both the pros and cons of the sponsored products, warning viewers about those that may not be trustworthy.
Additionally, sponsorships contribute extra funds to his bank account beyond the amount we mentioned at the start of the video. But one thing to remember, sponsored videos can negatively affect the algorithm, which leads to fewer views for next videos. The reason? The returning viewers decrease due to differences in choices.
To address this, you should follow up sponsored content with trending or broadly appealing videos to keep his audience engaged. You can also limit the number of sponsorships you'd take on to maintain your viewership. Even as a faceless creator, the owner of 𝐾𝐨𝐬𝐤 earned $8,000 from sponsorships in a year by carefully selecting relevant ones for his audience.
So, in the beginning, we said he earned $98,000 from YouTube. Now, he got $8,000 more from sponsorship. And I will leave the rest of the math with you.
So what do you think? If you follow the method, can you achieve this success?
Or do you have some other factors to share?
Tell us in the comments.
Thanks for watching.